Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how you can see who viewed your public profile on Snapchat. So make sure to watch this video till the end, and let's begin. First, open your Snapchat application and log into your account. Once you logged in, tap on your profile icon at the top left corner of the screen. In this page, you will find various details about your Snapchat account. Now open your public profile by tapping on this My Public Profile option. Here, you can view a public profile by tapping on this Preview Profile button. Right now, Snapchat did not provide a feature that allows users to see who viewed their public profile. Snapchat has always placed a strong emphasis on user privacy, and it doesn't typically disclose the identities of users who viewed your profile or your stories. So that's basically how you can see viewed your public profile on Snapchat. So that's all for this video. Hope you liked the video. Thanks.